When we made Herbalife24, our number one goal was to create products that met the needs of professional athletes. 07 Drive is a contemporary take on a traditional sports drink where it provides hydration without artificial flavors or sweeteners. To be able to work with the biggest athlete in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, it's been just phenomenal. We literally built a drink from scratch that took together his needs, his actual biological data. We had this dialogue and built a relationship. It really came together and fit with his personal goals.
I think you have many good products in the market, but for me the favorite is Herbalife.
Working with Cristiano, it's just been a natural fit.
If you're doing a spin class, if you're going to yoga, if you're getting your heart rate up and sweating, it's really for that person that's trying to lead a healthy, active lifestyle.
It's got carbohydrates for energy, 3 electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. The last component is the B vitamins that we added, B1 and B12. These are the 2 that are involved in supporting the reactions that power muscles and give you energy for workouts.
When you work out, you sweat, you lose electrolytes. Simply drinking water is not going to replace those electrolytes. You're also utilizing the sugars that are stored in your body.
One sugar that's really different in 07 Drive is glucose. Glucose is the only sugar that the brain can use for energy.
Really taken this product from the lab out into the field. We've tested it with tons of athletes. Heather Jackson, a professional triathlete, really used CR7 as the backbone for her training. It was a crucial part of her big win at Ironman Coeur d'Alene.
Everything you're putting in your body determines, how your next session's going to go or how you're recovering from your last one. To have that confidence that you're using, a pure, a clean, a safe product that I'm worry-free because I've got the best quality ingredients out there.
We don't compromise any of our quality. There's no artificial sweeteners, and everything is banned substance tested, so you can be completely confident in every single ingredient that is in our products.
We're really excited about 07 Drive. It's been great to have the feedback of an athlete of caliber of Cristiano Ronaldo to make such a drink. The mantra of Herbalife is health and wellness and living a healthy lifestyle. So it's all about making better nutrition choices around your workout, so you make better nutrition choices through your whole lifestyle.